Hello, everyone. In this recording, I'll guide you through the simple steps to register online for my upcoming Matter of Balance class. Whether you're a seasoned pro or new to online registration, I'm here to make this process seamless and straightforward. Let's dive in and get you enrolled in no time. If you've clicked the link, whether that be on our social media accounts, an email, or anywhere else, it may take you straight to this summary page. Here, it'll give you the information on our class, the dates, the time, the location, and a brief overview. If you see here, you can also see how much time you have to register. Register soon because there's only so many spots available. You can click register now here, or at the very top, you can click register now. Let's get started. Yes, we would like to start another registration. It only says that to me because I've already tried to go through the registration before. So I'm going to type test for all the spaces that I need to have filled in. You'll know what spaces you need to have filled in based on this little red dot right here. For the C, I have test, my first name, last name, email address, my phone number, my address, where I'm located, state, Indiana. And it'll ask if you have any dietary restrictions. A Matter of Balance class will provide some snacks during our program. I don't. Let's go next. Now it'll take us to our registration summary. If this information looks correct, you can scroll down and it'll say our admission item, our event registration is $10. You click next there. Our total still is $10. I know it says $25 here, but we do have a $15 discount going towards this program. And once you click credit and debit, a total deal will be $10. And this will take us to a third-party payment system called TouchNet. Once we hit submit at the bottom here, it'll take us right to there. We can type in our bank card information, hit submit. You'll get an email and I'll get an email that you are officially registered for the class to start on April 30th. If you have any questions, you feel free to reach out through email or by calling into the office, and we'll try and help you navigate this online registration process. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to seeing you.